Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me for another video tutorial. Today is our third project using these gorgeous Tea Boutique cards and envelopes. I love them, all in the new in colors, and they're only $10 for 20 of these. And today I'm going to pair this with Places of the Heart. This is one of my favorite stamp sets out of the new catalog. Maybe because I'm becoming a grandmother, my daughter's having her first baby, or my oldest one, and I don't know, this one just really appealed to me. Before we get started, just want to remind you to click subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I would really appreciate that. And for this card, I thought I would use this pretty Tahitian Tide card base, plus I love polka dots, so why not? And then I just have a piece of basic black and basic white, and then I have a couple of these cute little stitch circles. These are from the Stylish Shapes dies, which are on page 175. And we're just gonna do some simple stamping today. So I'm using this image with the baby, and I have another card that I've made using the kind of the mother and child sitting down. Make sure I get this covered well. Okay, and I'm just using Memento ink, and I'm just going to stamp kind of on the left side of the card stock. Just like that. I love all the pretty sketchy shading and everything in this image. And I'm going to use the sentiment that says, when a child is born, so is a mother. I'm going to put it on here so I can see my circle a little better. Hopefully that is a little thick on one side. Let's flip it over and try it again. Maybe my ink pad isn't perfectly inked or evenly inked. Try it one more time. Okay, we're just gonna go with that because I don't have another one cut. Might be a little unevenly inked. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of coloring on here. I'm going to make this for my daughter, and she is blonde, so I'm using Dark So Saffron, and this doesn't have to be perfect since it's just kind of a sketchy stamp set. A little bit of blonde hair there. And I feel like she might have a blonde baby, so we're just gonna give the baby blonde hair. She has blonde hair. Her husband has dark hair though, so I just don't know. All right, I'm gonna make the baby's little hand, we'll give it a light, make that the little feet. A lighter of the petal pink, and then I'm going to use the dark petal pink for her. Little hands in there. Maybe that's her neck. I'm going to assume. And then let's use a little bit of the light Tahitian Tide for our baby's little onesie. She's having a girl, but that's okay, because we want to kind of tie in the color of our card base. I think this is Mom's hand right there. And I'm going to use some light Sweet Sorbet for the top, just because I like it. And we're just going to do sketchy bottom to go with the look. And it's got so much shading already that I'm not even going to worry about shading with my blends. I'm just going to go for simple coloring today. And what am I missing? There's maybe a second foot right there that I didn't get. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. All right, let's adhere this down. Right here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of our Tahitian Tide. Let's see, I think I'm going to adhere this. Let's see. Let's figure out where we're gonna do this. Maybe right, I'm gonna do that right here. So I wanna tie a little bow. I'm gonna wrap this around twice. And tie a little bow right here. And if I wanna move it, I can move it a little bit. This is the In Color Baker's Twine pack. It comes with a spool of each of the new In Colors. So it coordinates with this set of note cards and envelopes perfectly. Okay, I might move that around. Let's see. We're gonna pop this up, or we're gonna adhere this down and then pop up our Tahitian Tide circle. All right, I'm gonna scooch this over to the edge. I really want this bow to be more like that. Let's see if we can twist it a little bit. It's a little smaller on the loops, but twist it down. All right, let's see how that'll look. That's close to what I'm going for, but I want to move that up just a bit. And closer to the edge. Okay, I think we're just gonna go with that and not mess with it anymore. Okay, let's get some adhesive in there. And I'm gonna put this a little bit to the left of the card front, and then dimensionals. We'll get 3. We'll do 1 on either, kind of in a triangle shape here. Put that right there, cute. And let's just throw a few of these iridescent rhinestones on just for fun. Put a big one down there. We'll get a medium size, maybe over here on the right, and then a small one right up. I don't know where, maybe right here? We'll see. Might scooch this over a little bit that way. I don't know. No, I don't like that there. Let's pick it up. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We'll put that one there, put this one up here, and that one there. But I like that better. Okay. It's hard when you tie it that way to get your bow to go in that direction. But I think we've got it. Isn't that cute? Just sweet and simple. Let me show the other one with the other image. I cut my white and my black a little bit bigger because this was a little larger. But super sweet, very easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed that. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by today. I will have the link posted below to my blog, which will have the measurements and supplies I used, along with the link to purchase these supplies. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.